Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As promised, we will now watch the depth of market move together, and it will really help bring everything we've learned in the last video together. Now, I'm going to get you set up with the depth of market very shortly. You're going to be playing with it yourself with a view to me eventually getting you on the charts. So that's just around the corner. Exciting and something for you to look forward to. However, first, what I would like to do is just observe a very short clip, only about 10 minutes long, where you will observe the depth of market or the real market moving and make your own observation. We will then follow that up immediately and we will watch the exact same clip again, but this time you will see my observations and you can compare them to the ones that you made initially. So the way we're going to do this is in the next video, I will let the depth of market play out for just over 10 minutes. It's quick, just over 10 minutes. So please watch it all the way through. As you can see, it's the pound versus the dollar starting at virtually the same spot you've been used to seeing up until this point. As I said before, don't worry, we'll look at plenty of other markets. It just makes sense to start with this because this is what we've been looking at up until now. You will notice I have placed the table we built in the last video side by side so you have it there for easy reference. Just press play on the next video when you're ready and watch it all the way through for about 10 minutes. Of course, pause or rewind it if you need to, but what I want you to do is just write down some observations. I have left a PDF you can print off called DOM observation exercise. It has 15 rows, which should be plenty, but if you need more, you can just carry on the flip side of your paper. No big deal. This isn't a science test. Just be rough and have fun with it. Just write down in general anytime you spot any of the 4 things going on in this table, which you are very familiar with now. But even more importantly, I also want you to write down any general observations. Just write down anything you're seeing that you think is interesting. Now, don't worry if you get it all wrong or are completely lost. It doesn't matter. We will go through the same video together straight afterwards. The point is, rather than me just constantly talking at you, let's start to get you more involved, interacting. It's just going to make the whole process not only more interesting for you, but really benefit your learning. So to repeat, the next video you play will be this, playing out for just over 10 minutes. Just watch, observe, write down anything you notice that is interesting, not only in this table, but in general as well. And then we will go through it together in the video straight after that. Don't jump ahead to the video after. Give this a go yourself first. Doesn't matter if you get it all completely wrong, but you need to start somewhere and we're going to go through it together afterwards anyway. So with that in mind, I'll see you straight after you finished the exercise and we can discuss the observations together. See you soon.